Bamwe bantu barabagwatekanire mutinone jwa bomu chine munene jwa Nairobi miaka 25 mithuri ni bonanite kimako kiao kirabatwire kiri nakyo mwankira nandi bakiaria mbere kamiti ya Senate ANTU baba ni baithurite bamwe bao mwankira nandi ni baturaga na banja cha MWIRI amwe na chuba mirine yao na batagwata kinya kuri wanindhiguru ya Amerika ni untubura kamiti je yugite kathingatira kenda ANTU bau bomba kuigwatira kioto kiao Boniface na gotwante toije
nenda ikemwe egukiriria na kuboreria.
Thank God.
Igiki gikundi giekuru akuru anantigwa na antu mabora bonokire kiri mutino jo BOMBA embassy ni Amerika aja Nairobi mwakini jo ngiri 1990 nenana.
And I know you know most of
barimbere kamite mwenye bunge Senate kubachura kyoto ibatariririe bena kiroge kingi mono ora miaka 25 ekinyirite muthia na batono bole bobwiro kana botune.
We were left on our own. We have suffered since then. People have died since then.
I was discharged. And the late Dr. Gondi came and told me, Douglas, you know what? After 6 months, you'll regain your sight. But I've been waiting for that miracle to happen for the last 25 years. When it dawned upon me that I'd lost sight, I was very bitter, very angry. And in fact, I started imagining that if I would meet the men behind the heinous and barbaric act of cowardice, I would skin them alive.
Vange ibaidurira mutino JUJU jabatigire bena nkojini na mirine yao maronda ni nyororo bamutorire.
And I have something in the muscles which pains, and they said it was, again, it came up because of blood, a lot of blood pouring out. Now with that, it can be so painful that I started sweating.
We became beggars in our own country. It was so traumatizing. I don't like to remember that day.
I was actually 3 weeks due. When I went to the hospital, I was told that this baby has to be born. I did not have any pain for the baby to be born. So the baby was not mature to be born. The lungs were not formed, the liver was not formed. So what happened is that they had to give me some drugs for the baby to be formed, for him to be operated out.
Mianga iko na kiriro kiao na ndibekere kithire kiri nthiguru ya Amerika araba ko mutino JUJU jo merire nuntu bakuthiri bare akwina embassy yao mwakene jo ngiri 1990 nenana.
I had promised my dad I would be a journalist and you'll be seeing me on the TV there. But that never happened. He was willing to do everything for me to happen, but he had left and nobody was going to take that up.
After the funeral, I went through a lot because of the JUJU fund, because you know about money in Kenya. One of the family members was turning against me, one of the Kibadi's family members, so he even took me to court. So instead of mourning, I was going to court because of whatever I went through. So I didn't even have time to mourn. After
kamiti je mwanya kanando komiti iritongere sine tokumorotero machakosa Guinness Kavindu ni nengirikanya kameriri bunge Senate tidire kiandika ripoti yao na kuleta machokio.
So what we want is compensation. If we get the compensation, these kids who didn't go past Form 4, they can go to school and have their university level education.
Erijo mogwanja mwakine jongiri 1998 bomwe ko gwithwa Antonio nyombirije kinja ufundi hao samona embassy ya Amerika yisharingirwe na gutenderwa nthiguru ari nyombe cooperative yaninirwe mwaka bioni biretika kiri ko thongona na gushwantaira kamiti je Kavindu nerigiri kwithire kinyithie mwaka morotero Amerika kwale bunge Senate ya Amerika konethro baketho batetheria kenda kirinde giki kyumba kwithira kiriwa ke report Antoshero TV NYUMA kumaja kengina ngine na kine kemshusho Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mongera.